It's about 5 a.m. We're gonna start running early since we want to do a 50K, but the race one goes up to a marathon. So we're gonna get up and run at 5 in the morning to get those extra 5 or so miles in before the race starts.
Running and doing shadow puppets. It's a dog. There you go. Thank you. So now that we're actually on the marathon course, we'll be doing 4 laps. Now this is about 6.5 mile loop, so 4 times. Alright, so that was lap 1. 3 more laps to go. No real aid station, so I just had to load up on the water I brought. Alright, so I changed my shoes, rehydrated on lap 3, more than halfway done. Alright, final lap. Lap 4. I'm hurting, but we're gonna do it. Might be slow, but we'll do it. I'm ready for this to be over. My partner left me. So the race is over. I went about, I thought I went 30, but they're saying I only went like 28 or 29 miles. So either way, it's an ultra in the book. So that was a tough race. I'm just happy to be done.
Yeah, baby.